What is a server and how do you make sure that your server is protected at your business? Hi, my name is Avi Vaknin. I'm the CEO and founder of Telx. Physical servers are a piece of hardware equipment that is dedicated to store data and/or programs that is essential to running a business network. Every small or mid-sized business that has a few employees or more requires a server to share files, data, and/or program within their network. Our job at Telx as system admin is to maintain the health of that server and make sure that no harm will happen to that piece of equipment. For example, fire. In case of a disaster or crash, we will be ready to restore the data and programs as quickly as possible. There are many ways to protect your server. Always make sure that your IT company backs up your data in real time. Cloud backups are the most common and secure way to ensure the data is safe. To learn more about server technology, please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always remember, we are Telx and we are here to protect your business.